Hi everyone, welcome back to the series. This is our Laravel 13 series where we are exploring everything step by step with real world examples. I'm Umesh Rana and you are watching Programming Fields. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel because in this series we are covering Laravel 13 in a very practical and real world way. Now in the last few episodes, we have already covered some really important concepts in which we explored all the new features in Laravel 13. Then we installed Laravel 13 and understood the folder structure. After that, we learned about PHP attributes with real use cases. And in the previous episode, we optimized performance using cache touch function. So now you already have a solid understanding of Laravel 13. But here is the real question. What if you already have a Laravel 12 project? How do you upgrade it to Laravel 13 safely without breaking anything? Because in real world development, we don't start from scratch every time, right? So in this video, we are going to upgrade a real Laravel 12 application to Laravel 13 step by step and make sure everything keeps working perfectly. So let's quickly jump to the official documentation of Laravel 13. And here we will follow the upgrade guide. So in this upgrade guide, here we have the high impact changes, medium impact changes, and low impact changes. So in high impact changes, we have these 3 points in which we have this updating dependencies, updating the Laravel installer, and request forgery protection. So firstly, we will check out these high impact changes. So if we'll scroll down, here we have these high impact changes. So in order to update to Laravel 13 from any of the previous versions, whether it is of Laravel 11 or 12, here firstly we will have to update the composer.json file. So in the composer.json file, we will have to change this Laravel framework version to 13. Okay. Then if you have installed Laravel Boost, which provides a MCP server, so if you have that, you will have to upgrade this to 2.0 version. Further, we have this Laravel Tinker, PHP Unit, and Paste. Okay. And if you have Laravel installer for creating the project, then you will have to update that too. So this is the high impact changes. Now in the low impact changes, we have this cache prefix and session, these all things. So these are not considerable because these won't make any impact on your application if you upgrade from any Laravel version to Laravel 13. So we have to look into the high impact changes first. And in order to upgrade this Laravel application to 13, either you can use Laravel Boost if you already have Laravel Boost installed in your previous application. In the today's episode, I'm going to upgrade this manually without using any AI tool. So firstly, I will navigate to my Laravel 12 application. This is Laravel 12 application, which is a running application. If I will navigate to the browser, this is already running here. And in this application, I have created a REST API. So I have implemented auth. Here we have this register login functionality, user profile fetch after user authentication, and this logout. In the user controller, we have CRUD features added as we have this index function for listing all the users, a store function for creating a new user with form validation. We have this show function for fetching the single user, update for updating the user, and finally we have this destroy for deleting a user. Now in the composer.json file, if you'll check out for the dependencies, here we have Laravel Sanctum and Tinker only, right? Currently we don't have Laravel Boost installed here. So that's why I'm not going to upgrade this application using Boost. So as per the official guide here, firstly we will have to change this Laravel framework to 13 in order to upgrade from 12 to 13, right? Currently we have this Laravel framework version as 12.0. If I will jump to the terminal, and here if I will type PHP artisan version command, this returned Laravel framework version 12.44, right? So this is a Laravel 12 version. Now I will upgrade this to Laravel 13. So firstly, I will change this to 13.0. Okay. Next, we have to check if we have Laravel Boost, then we will have to upgrade it. So currently I don't have Laravel Boost, so I'm skipping this. Next, we have to update this Tinker to 3.0. So in the Tinker, previously I had 2.10, right? So simply I will change this to 3.0. This is done. Now if we have PHP unit or paste, then we will have to upgrade these two. So for the paste, if I will check, here I have already this latest version as 4.3. So this is not needed. This is already a latest version. Now we'll check for PHP unit. So I will search for unit, and we don't have PHP unit installed because this has paste as a testing framework, right? Now we have to jump to the official documentation, and firstly we have to check the official version of PHP. So in the release notes itself, it was mentioned in order to have Laravel 13, we need PHP 8.3 to 8.5. So the minimum PHP version is 8.3 for upgrading or installing a Laravel 13 application. So in our case, I will check the PHP version first. So I will type PHP -- version, and currently I have this latest version installed as 8.5.4, right? So this is fulfilling the PHP version. Now also I will check for Composer version, and I have this Composer 2.9.5, which is already a latest version. Okay, this is done. Now also I will check for Laravel installer. So here, if I will scroll down, if we are upgrading this to Laravel 13, then we can update this Laravel installer as well. So in order to check this, I will again jump to the terminal, and here I will type Laravel -- version, and here we have Laravel installer 5.25, right? So if you're not sure whether this is the latest version, you can simply run this command, composer global update Laravel installer. Let's hit enter now. And this said nothing to install because this is the latest version here. Now in the next step, we will run the composer update command in order to upgrade our Laravel 12 application to 13. And before that, we have to change this PHP version. So this is needed minimum PHP 8.3. So I will change this to PHP 8.3, right? Because without updating the PHP version, this will throw error, right? Now we are good to go to upgrade this Laravel version to 13. So let me clear this, and I will type composer update command. Okay. Now this has initiated this upgrade to Laravel 13, and this is installing latest version of this Laravel framework, which is 13.6, right? So let's wait for a couple of minutes because this can take some time in order to upgrade all the dependencies. And yes, this is done. Now in order to verify it, I will type PHP artisan -- version. Now we can see we have the Laravel framework 13.6.0, which is the latest version. Now in order to apply the changes and load the dependencies, I will type composer dump auto load command. Now this is auto loading all the dependencies after the upgrades. Okay. Now this is done. Now also I will optimize the cache, config, and routing things. So I will do it using a single command, PHP artisan optimize clear, so that all the old configurations related to config, cache, events, routes, and views, these all cached will be cleared. Now let's navigate to the application, and here I will rerun the application. I will stop this and again I will type php artisan serve. And now this has started running this application on 8000 port. Now if I will refresh it, yes, this has updated, but here this homepage is not changed because this is added by Laravel 12 itself. Now in order to check whether our application is working, I will quickly jump to the routes, which is api.php, and here I will try to register our new user. So I will open the Postman quickly because this is a REST API. So we'll have to access these API endpoints in the Postman. So here I will run this API/register endpoint. Okay. And in the body, I will pass data, which is full name, email, password, and password confirmation. Right? Now, firstly, I will try to remove these all parameters and I will try to send this API request with thrown validation error as full name, email, and password. These all fields are required. I will add these parameters again in the payload and I will add a full name, John, and also I will change this email to John. Now I will retrigger this API and this said email has already been taken. So I will change this to John12. And yes, this registered successfully. Now I will try to access the login API using the same credential. So I will change this email here. And if we'll try to resend this, yes, the user authenticated successfully. Now we can use this authentication token and we'll jump to the next API for fetching the authenticated user data. So in the headers, I will pass this token in the form of authorization bearer. And I have pasted that token. If we'll send this API request, yes, this fetched the user data. So this is working properly. So that's it for this episode. Now you learned how you can upgrade your Laravel 12 project to Laravel 13 step by step safely and without breaking your application after following the official guide from Laravel 13. And now that our project is running on Laravel 13 successfully, in the upcoming videos, we are going to build more advanced and real-world features using this setup. So if you are following this series, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next episodes. And if this video helped you, don't forget to drop a like. It really helps the channel grow. So thanks for watching and I will see you in the next episode.